What if the real reason your skin ages isn't just time, but invisible damage that attacks your cells from within? New findings from Science 2025 reveal a natural anti-aging skin repair cream inspired by an age-backwards ritual on Okinawa, an island where women stay radiant and wrinkle-free well into their 80s. Now, modern science has pinpointed exactly how this timeless secret works. Inside every jar, you'll find the super nutrients of Okinawa, Okinawan Fenugreek, loaded with vitamins C, A, B6, and powerful antioxidants that shield and rebuild your telomeres, tiny protective caps at the ends of your DNA strands. When telomeres shorten, skin cells lose their ability to divide and repair, leading to sagging fine lines and loss of elasticity. Retinol steps in as the holy grail of anti-aging, neutralizing free radicals that accelerate telomere depletion while stimulating collagen production by up to 700%. Safflower seed oil brings thymoquinone and vitamin E, creating an antioxidant fortress and boosting vitamin D levels to further preserve telomere length. Shea butter's fatty acids lock in moisture, restore the skin barrier, and repair tiny micro tears. Aloe vera, Tilia cordata flower, sage leaf, and saw palmetto extracts work in concert to flush out environmental toxins, calm inflammation, and accelerate skin cell turnover, all without harsh chemicals, surgical risks, or pricey clinical treatments. Apply this cream morning and night. The active ingredients penetrate deeply, flushing out free radicals and fortifying the structural proteins, collagen, and elastin that keep your skin firm. Within 3 to 4 weeks, fine lines soften, deep wrinkles fade, and your complexion regains a youthful glow. Over 78,000 men and women worldwide have transformed their appearance with this formula, some reporting compliments from doctors who assumed they'd undergone expensive procedures. Real people, real results, smoother skin, diminished age spots, and a newfound confidence that no injection or laser could deliver. If you've grown tired of expensive serums, painful peels, and endless dermatologist visits, it's time to try a solution that works with your biology, not against it. Access the scientific studies and clinical data behind this formula and see why researchers are calling it a breakthrough in skin repair and anti-aging.